Want to know how to sign out of your account in Agent GPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, signing out of Agent GPT is super simple. So first thing first, you can just simply head on to agentgpt.rework.ai. So right here, as you can see the URL as well, so you can just simply enter this up or just simply type in Agent GPT. So we have also created a video or various videos about Agent GPT, so no user wants it. Now, logging out is super simple. You should search up for your profile first. For us, right here on the bottom left side, you should be seeing your profile, your avatar, and your username. So right beside it, you should also be seeing this three dot icon. You can just simply select that. And here you should be seeing sign out. That's right below manage account. Just simply select that. And now, once you've selected sign out, you should be automatically signed out of Agent GPT just like this right here. And that's it. It's super simple and easy. Now you can just simply sign back in normally and you can just simply work without signing in as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.